Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you're trying to update your Windows 11. At that time you're facing this type of error. As you can see guys in my screen, error encountered. You could not check for updates because you are not connected to the internet. Connect to the internet and try again. So if you are also facing same type of problem error on your PC, so I have showing you 4 to 5 different methods to fix this problem. So the main reason behind this error is this guys, 99% is due to internet connection. If the internet connection is not good, at that time you can definitely 100% face this kind of problem error on your PC. Okay, so first you need to check your internet connection. So in my case guys, I have already connected to my internet. The internet connection is working fine. As you can see guys, afterwards I am facing this type of problem. So at that time guys, what you need to do, you need to enable the airplane mode on your PC. So just click on airplane mode, enable and disable it one time. Okay, after this guys, now you need to check your Windows date and time is correct or not. If the date and time is incorrect, at that time you can also face this type of problem error. So in the Windows settings, go to time and language, go to date and time settings. Like this, from here you can easily able to set your date and time. So it is better to select to enable the set date and time automatically. Okay, and then this will also helps you to fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. In the Windows settings, go to system and in the right panel scroll down and find out troubleshoot. Open it. Okay, from here you need to update the Windows troubleshooter. Okay, so here you can get the option Windows update. So just click on the run box like this. So it will start the troubleshooting process. So just follow the on-screen process instruction to fix this problem. Okay, still, in case this problem is not working with you guys, now you can try the next method. If you are using any proxy, DNS, VPN server, or if you are using any third-party antivirus on your PC, at that time you need to temporarily disable it on your PC. So sometime this will cause the error for Windows update. Okay, so just disable it. Okay, and still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Okay, press Windows key button and here you need to search services like this and open it. From here guys, you need to restart the Windows update services. First you need to find out Windows update services on this menu. So just press W from your keyboard, it will redirect you to Windows update. Okay, like this. So just right click on it and click on restart. And second services is this guys, you need to find out background intelligent transfer services. Find out the background intelligent transfer services, right click on it and then click on restart. It will already stop, just need to start it and restart it. Okay, so the third service is this guys, cryptographic services. Cryptographic services is here, right click on it and same you need to restart it. Okay, and then close this services menu and restart your Windows 11 and try to update your Windows. Now it will 100% fix your problem. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem error. And then once again go to your Windows update and click on retry from here. So it will start the process once again. So wait for the result. So yeah, as you can see guys, our problem was now solved. Our Windows was updating successfully. So these are the easy and simple method to fix this problem issues. So hope you enjoy this video. Please comment down below which option, which method was work with you. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.